words, but boy, it don't feel right. What do you expect me to say? You know it's just a little too late. You take my hand and you say you've changed, but boy, you know you're begging, don't fool me. Because to you, it's just a game. You know it's just a little too late. So let me on down. This time has made me strong. I'm starting to move on. I'm gonna say this now. Your chances come and gone, and you know it's just a little too late, a little too wrong, and I can't wait for you to know all the right things to say. You know it's just a little too late. You say you dream of my face, but you don't like me. You're just like the chase. Being real, it doesn't matter anyway. You know it's just a little too late. Yeah, it's just too little too late. I was young and in love. I gave you everything, but it wasn't enough. And now you wanna communicate. You know it's just a little too late. Go find someone else and letting you go. I'm loving myself. You got a problem, but don't come asking me for help.